In the following examples, the colors of the tiles do not matter. It is the location of tile and the number of tiles that matter here. It is best to do these activities with actual or virtual tiles so that you have the experience of working with tiles, sequences, number patterns, and creating formulas. So if you have square tiles, place them to form the figures of the following sequence. Then try to continue the pattern by placing squares to form the next several figures. It is truly helpful to use tiles to make the patterns rather than just drawing pictures. So let's try to sketch how the fifth figure would look. Or actually, I'm going to go ahead and pull up the Didex. And you can see I already have the fourth figure there. But if I was to continue on with the fifth figure, that would be just add an extra row at the bottom. And that would be the fifth figure. Again, the colors don't matter. But so let's try to fill in this table to explore the number patterns. There's more than one way to fill this out, and you can see it's already partially filled out. But let's try to figure out what we see, the number of tiles, work it out, and then the total number of tiles. So in the first one, if you look at the very first figure, there was one tile. So in terms of what I saw one tile, and that was one tile, period. The next figure, which would be this one here, had one tile and then two tiles below it. So for figure number 2, there was two tiles, then one above that tile. So the number of tiles in the figure was basically 2 on the bottom plus 1 above, or 3 tiles overall. And then the next one had 3 on the bottom, then 2, then 1. So 6 tiles overall. Then 4 tiles. The next figure had 4 tiles, then 3 tiles, then 2 tiles, and then 1 tile. So the number of tiles in the fourth figure was 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. And then you continue on with the fifth figure. There is 5 tiles on the bottom, then 4 tiles above that, then 3, then 2, then 1. So the total number of tiles in that figure is 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, or 15 overall. And in general, the nth figure would have n tiles in the bottom, n minus 1 above that, n minus 2 above that, all the way up to until you get 1 at the top. So essentially it's n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 3, all the way down to 3 plus 2 plus 1. Do not actually build it unless, well, feel free if you want to, but describe what the 20th figure would look like. How many tiles would it have? So go about what we talked about before. For 20 tiles, I would expect 20 on the bottom, then 19 above that, then 18, then 17, and you would continue on all the way up to until keep on decreasing until you get 1 on top. In terms of the number of tiles, that would be 20 plus 19 plus 18 plus 17, all the way down to plus 1. As far as counting that, if you recall from previous lessons, what we can do is reverse this. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And if we add this column-wise, that'll be 21 plus 21 plus 21 plus 21. So basically, it's 20 of these 21s. And then since we wrote that sequence twice, we need to divide it by 2 to get to the original size. So that comes out to be 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 times 21 is 210 tiles.